Yeah, so if you are tired of missing on deadlines or always struggling to save your GPA or always trying to save stress during school examination or quiz or class test, this video is for you. So here are top 5 apps that might save you from the 90% stress in school and also save your colleague as well. Yeah, so these apps are apps that can save you on your day-to-day school activities, learning, planning, games, everything that you do. So you can always be ahead in time and always save yourself from the stress that you always go through. Yeah. So the first app is Notion. So Notion comes in handy. It allows you to write and draft key points and also send it over to people to edit. So an example is, let's say you have an assignment, you can write your point or your suggestion on that particular topic in the Notion app and send it over to your friends who are in different hostels or maybe whether on vacation, who are in other states or other countries. You can just send a Notion note to them. They are editable. They can also edit it, read and also add their suggestions, so you can send it across to save yourself and your class group or maybe your learning group stress. Yeah, so make sure you check Notion out. It's available both on the Apple Store and the Play Store as well. Yeah. So the second one is Quillbot. So Quillbot is an AI paraphraser or maybe AI rephrase tool that helps you to rewrite or paraphrase your text that are generated by AI. So I know a lot of students are now using AI to generate or maybe answer questions, of course, which are not advisable. But in case you need any suggestion on AI or need AI help just to finish your assignment or maybe your project work or something, you can use this tool to paraphrase it to your liking. So they have levels. You can choose to paraphrase it with this maybe strong words, normal words, or even the average word that anyone can read and understand. So it helps with assignment, group work, and anything. Just after generating your AI text or maybe document, you can just paste it onto Quillbot and set it up to your liking. So you can choose the words, the vocabulary, and all of those stuffs. And within minutes, it can generate the text according to how you set it. The next on the list is YouTube slash Udemy and Coursera. So these are platforms that students use on a daily basis. So this platform helps you with deep or maybe better understanding on some topics. So let's say you are in a technical institution or maybe your institution is always practical, maybe let's say 80% practical and 20% theory. YouTube is going to help you find people who are knowledgeable in this field and they have in-depth tutorials or maybe practical videos about the stuff that you learn in school for you to get a better understanding. So you'll be able to understand whatever you are learning in school and don't depend solely on your PDFs or maybe the slides that you always learn for your exams and save your GPA. Yeah. And if you are a lazy student, you can use the Speechify app to translate all your PDFs into text. So it's a text to speech app that allows you to send in the PDF that they read it aloud. So let's say you wake up and you don't feel like reading, you can just paste your slides or PDF, grab an AirPod or maybe any headset, and this will start playing like maybe music or just reading them one by one to you. So you can even use that time to be doing your other stuff while you listen to your slides and you'll be able to catch up with time. And this is a bonus though. Everyone has it on their phone, both Android and iPhone. The reminder app. Make sure all your activities or whatever you plan for the day is added to the calendar app and you have timer and maybe alarm set for you. So anytime you get prompted on what and what to do, so you don't find yourself wanting or maybe last minute learning, then you find yourself in stress and maybe doing a reset or maybe struggling to save your GPA. So let me know in the comments if this video saved you a lot. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.